Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2021 Nissan Sentra. I'm going to show you the location and give you some information of your emissions vapor purge solenoid. But first, let's take a look at this underhood label. This label gives you a lot of helpful information about your vehicle and lists most of the emissions components on your vehicle, except the emissions vapor system. Right here, you're going to find the emissions vapor canister purge solenoid. When the computer opens up this solenoid, it allows vapors built up in the carbon canister or in the rear of the vehicle to flow up into the intake and go through the combustion process and get cleaned up through the tailpipe and hopefully become breathable air. There's a couple things about this. If your canister vapor purge solenoid gets stuck open, you might have a starting issue or a hard starting issue and also a lean condition caused by that. If you take a look in the description below, there will be a few helpful links. One will be how to replace this canister vapor purge solenoid, another on how to test this canister vapor purge solenoid, and another link on where to buy this canister vapor purge solenoid. Make sure you take a look down there. This here is the emissions vapor canister purge solenoid. Real easy to replace. If this video does help you out, make sure you comment below and let me know the year, make, model, and engine size of your vehicle. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.